Hello everyone, in this video, let us see how to add simple product to the store. To add simple products you should visit the demo.delicart.app/admin website and then enter the valid credentials to log in into the site. After login to the site you can see the admin dashboard. Now, select the store segment and select the store list. Here you can see all the list of stores that have been created previously. Here select a particular store and log into the store using this login option. You can add simple products to all business types except pickup and drop service. Now you can see the store dashboard. Here select product segment and select add product. Here enter the name of the product. Now enter SKU code. It is a unique identifier code which is used to track products within a business. Now add description. Add product image. Choose the image from the existing list. Or you can upload the image by using this crop image option. Browse the image. And give the crop image option to finalize the image. Next, in the product details may differ according to the business type. Select the appropriate category and subcategory from existing lists. Add product tag from the existing options or create new ones if necessary through the admin dashboard. This added herbal tag will be shown like this in the Delicart app. Enter the regular price of the product. Then enter the selling price. If the regular price is higher than the selling price, which could be a discounted price, and you can select the number of days that the discount price has to show in the app. It will highlight the discounted selling price like this in the Delicart app. After this period ends, the app will revert to simply showing the regular price without any indication of a discount. If you put the selling price as 0, then the price will be shown plainly without any special highlighting. Finally, the tax will be automatically fetched from the admin panel. You can refer to our previous video to know how to add tax through the admin panel. And you can also change the tax here according to your needs. Now, save the product details. Now the product will be added to the product list and it will appear on the store page in the Delicart app with all the specified information. This is the straightforward process of adding a simple product to the Delicart app. Thanks for watching and I hope this video was useful. See you in the next video.